Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the language on the Airbnb phone app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll need to open your device settings. This is where you'll control all the system-level preferences for your phone, including language options. Once you're in your settings, scroll down and tap on System. This section houses all the core settings that affect how your entire device operates, so it's the key area we need to access for language changes. Next, tap on Language and Region. This is where your phone stores all language preferences and regional formatting options. Here you'll see your current language listed at the top, along with any other languages you might have added previously. Now tap on Add a Language. This will open up a comprehensive list of all available languages your device supports. Take your time scrolling through the list to find the language you want to use. Once you locate your preferred language, go ahead and tap on it to select it. After selecting your new language, the final step is to make it your default language. You'll typically see an option to set it as primary or move it to the top of your language list. This ensures that your entire phone interface switches to this language, affecting all system menus and compatible apps. Here's the important thing to understand about Airbnb specifically. Changing your phone's language will automatically change the language of the Airbnb app as well. This is because Airbnb doesn't have built-in language settings within the app itself. Instead, it reads directly from your device's system language preferences. So by changing your phone's language, you're effectively changing how Airbnb displays all its content, menus, and listings. And that's it, your Airbnb app will now display in your newly selected language. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.